Okay, so I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a color change using back loop only. My pattern does call for the head to be built in a size 7 hook. However, the bear I'm building is a larger version, so I'm using an 8 for the head and a 9 hook for the body. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my last stitch here of row 4. And before I complete that, I'm going to take my new yarn, I'm going to loop it over my hook, I'm going to pull it through. And now going into starting row 5, I've already got that new color on the hook here. Okay, so I'm going to be building this next row in back loop only. So to do that, I'm going to go into just the back loop of the next stitch. So there's only one loop on my hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull up a loop. You're going to complete your single stitch as normal. And again, we're going to do this for the entire row 5. So you'll complete your row and it should look like this.